Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can add tails to fonts in Canva. So tails is essentially just a decoration that is usually added at the end of the word or a letter, and it's just making the whole handwriting looks more attractive. And there are a few examples on Google Images, like I think this one looks really cool, and there's also this option and there's also this option. But the question is, can you imitate that design in Canva? The short answer is it's difficult, or at least the font that allows you to do that is just difficult to find. And so what I haven't found any font that can do that. So whether you like it or not, you can only add tails manually in Canva, and there are two methods that you can try. So the first method is really by drawing the tail yourself. It's difficult, especially if you don't have the proper equipment, like you need a stylus or a Wacom. If you know how to use it, that's going to be awesome. But if you have a steady hand, then you could in theory draw it with your mouse pointer. So just go to draw, and then you can select the tool that you want to use. So I'm going to be using this pen, and let's adjust the color, and also you can adjust the weight. And after that you can add some let's say I'm going to add some tail at the end of this letter O. And yeah, that's the best I can do, and it's probably not the best because I probably have to use a proper equipment, and also this is very limited, and so far I haven't able to produce something that's actually looking good. So instead of using this method, I actually prefer the second method, which is by using elements. So you can go to elements and then search for font tail, and you will see plenty of different styles that you could insert into your design. So let's say I'm going to use this, let's say this one looks okay. Now I'm going to adjust the size, make it slightly bigger, and put it here. And also I'm going to change the color to be the same as the letter, and I'm going to send it to the back. And there you go. Yeah, that is not perfect, but I think it's definitely better than the first method. And there are plenty of different styles that you could add, so it's really up to your imagination about what tail that you want to use for your font in Canva. So anyway, that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful, and please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video.